Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I woke up early because I had a lot to do. I've missed out on posting on my recipe channel for about 2 weeks now, so I had planned on filming a lot of content, some for my recipe channel and some for my lifestyle channel, which is this one. So if you have not checked out my recipe channel, please do so. I'll link it in my description box below. I have a lot of recipes out there for you to try, local and foreign as well. So I start off my day by cleaning my place and making sure that it's a little bit tidy, and then I start off by reading some devotional because yeah, your girl is a Christian, and then I need to start my day with God. So after my devotional, it was about time for me to prepare breakfast. So, but this is just a quick breakfast recipe that I saw on Instagram that I decided to try. So it's just mashed avocado or pear, as we call it in Ghana here, that I'm preparing. So this is avocado and egg toast that I'm actually preparing. And look at my cup, it says dream. It's an old cup, but I love it because of what is written on it. So don't forget to dream, okay? I'm pairing my sandwich with Milo. Yeah, because it's the perfect and quick breakfast for all of us, isn't it? So yeah, I've boiled some eggs that I'm gonna chop into tiny pieces. This is going to go on my toast, and I'm gonna enjoy it. It looked so pleasing and so nice. It was delicious, by the way. If you want to try it, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. It was super delicious. It was soft, like look at me. I had finished my breakfast so quick and so early. It was delicious. So for lunch, I prepared pizza, homemade pizza. I have the full recipe on my recipe channel, which is linked in my description. So check it out and learn how to make your own pizza at home. This is my second try of making pizza at home. The first one was a disaster. I cannot even begin to think about how bad it went. If you want to know the story behind it, let me know in the comment section and I'll tell you. But the second one was the bomb. Like, it was super delicious. It was super easy. Do well to check out my recipe channel linked in my description for the full recipe to this delicious pizza. So from there I decided to have a wash day because my hair needed it. So I washed my hair. It's about time for me to put my hair in rollers. This is the second time actually that I'm putting my own hair in rollers. It was quite a task. I don't think I'm gonna do this often, putting my own hair in rollers, but I managed to do it. Putting your own hair in rollers is not for the weak. It's not for the feeble-minded. Cause y'all, like, your hands are going to cramp up. Like, I do not recommend doing this. I really do not. Anyways, it was quite a hassle, but I eventually was able to do it. Let my hair air dry, and afterwards I had to take out the rollers. And this is how my hair came out. It was super. Nice. I think so. I styled it out, and this how it was looking. I liked doing it on my own. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.